Take command of the road in the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include front fog lights, a tachometer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a roof rack, rear wipers, and air conditioning. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.